So turning that research into action, particularly if you, like I said, if you're a resi and commercial solar company and your kind of main business and marketing objectives right now are you're wanting to kind of increase that visibility of your commercial offerings, but also amplify your residential business and see how every time you do one of these non-residential projects, how can you amplify that back into your residential sales and marketing pipeline? So first one, we always like to start with kind of the foundation of any kind of digital marketing strategy is always going to be the foundation of your website and the structure of your website. Sometimes it's the commercial is completely missing from the website, and sometimes you just have a basic commercial solar page. But as we work with our clients, and also a recommendation to anybody, is starting to really build out that commercial offering, both on, I would say, like your homepage, which is kind of this screenshot example here, where you can see the main two paths of resi commercial. But we also start to break down the specific sectors of commercial from schools, agricultural institutions, government, utility. And this other example here in the kind of navigation structure of your website, again, you can kind of see the breakout from residential, commercial, and then a really specific focus on nonprofits for this specific company, where we do have that places of worship landing page. We have a specific schools and universities landing page, and then also that government kind of municipality side as well.
To watch this full webinar and a complete archive of all Energy Circle webinars, visit energycircle.com/webinars.